In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Zoom meeting password. If you've ever had someone try to join your meeting, but they can't get in because they're being asked for a passcode, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it right inside your active Zoom meeting. While you're already in the meeting window, look for the Participants control. This is the button that opens the list of everyone currently in the meeting. It typically lives on the main meeting toolbar. When you select Participants, a panel opens on the side of your screen showing who's in the room and a few simple controls related to attendees. This is the place we need, because the meeting passcode is referenced from here. At the bottom left corner of that Participants panel, choose Invite. Selecting Invite opens a small window containing your meeting's essential details. This is designed to make it easy to bring others in quickly and securely. Inside this invite window, you'll see information like the meeting ID and the ways someone can join. What you're looking for is the field labeled Meeting Passcode. Depending on your Zoom version or your organization's settings, it may appear as passcode or password, but it refers to the same thing. The value shown there, often a short numeric or mixed code, is the passcode you can share with someone who needs to join. That's all there is to it. By opening the Participants panel and then selecting Invite, you can view the meeting passcode without leaving the session or digging through settings. This is especially handy when a participant is joining with a meeting ID instead of a one-click link, or when the link they have doesn't automatically include the passcode. A few quick notes to keep everything smooth and secure. Zoom uses the term passcode to emphasize that it works alongside other protections, like waiting rooms, to prevent unwanted guests. Only share your passcode with people who are meant to be in the meeting and avoid posting it publicly. The passcode you see here applies to this specific meeting. If you schedule another session later or use a different meeting ID, the passcode may be different. So to recap in plain language, open Participants, click Invite at the bottom left, and read the meeting passcode shown in the Invite window. Share that code privately with anyone who needs it, and they'll be able to join right away. And there you go. That's all you need to find your Zoom meeting password quickly and confidently.